Hey you, have you ever wanted to make your own game or your own trailer? Join Premiere. If you code your own game, then make a trailer for it, we'll send you prizes like video games, a Godot plushie, let you publish your game on Steam, and more. But how do I start? Step 1. Make a game. Have fun, build it yourself, and track your time spent in coding with HackerTime, a free extension you can set up at hackertime.hackclub.com. Remember to keep your code organized in a repository and to commit often. We need to make sure that you made it yourself. Step 2. Make a trailer to the game you just made. You could animate something, record gameplay, or whatever you'd like. Track your time with laps. The don'ts. Don't copy someone else's work. It's not yours, so don't pretend it is. Don't follow the tutorial one for one. Add your own creativity to it. Don't use AI to do everything for you. Write your README yourself and use it for a maximum of 30% of your game. Step 3. Ship your project. Fill out the submission form, publish to itch.io, YouTube, and make social media posts about it. And that's it. Have fun and check out premiere.hackclub.com for more info.